Today we'll be using a DIY method to construct a long sleeve PPE gown. In the video we use a heat sealer to seal, but you can alternatively use tape. Place the template on top of the plastic sheet. Then fold the plastic over to form the arms. Mark the arms and the rest of the template. Then mark the thumb holes and the head hole. After removing the template, cut out the arms, the rest of the gown, the thumb holes and the head hole. Then heat seal the undersides of the arms. Then finally cut out the waist ties from either side. Here you can see the heat seal on the underside of the arms.
Another alternative to heat sealing is to use tape to seal the arms instead. Finally, the arms are turned inside out and the seams look neat. One additional thing you can do to enable easy doffing is to cut a small triangular section out of the rear of the gown at shoulder level, as indicated by the dotted lines. This long sleeve gown was made using 2 plastic bags, but with a full sheet of full width plastic, manufacture would be a lot quicker.